So I've been getting a lot of requests from some of you guys asking me to do a binary options tutorial video. I get a lot of questions, people asking me, are binary options legit? Can you really make money trading binary options? Is it safe to trade binary options? How does binary options work? And most importantly, what's the best strategy for trading binary options? In this short video, I'm going to share with you guys my best strategy for trading binary options in year 2020. I'm also going to show you guys right here on the screen. These are my results for today. Today is 23 September and I've actually taken 10 deals, and out of 10 I got 9 wins. Alright, so I'm not going to say or promise you guys that if you use my strategy you win the same 9 out of 10. Alright, there's a lot of things that are involved in trading. Alright, and each trading session is different from another. So you find out you are using the right tools, but you are trading on a wrong time, and then you are losing money. Alright, or your win rate is lower than the 9 out of 10, the one I'm showing. There is a lot of things that are involved in binary options, but I'm going to talk about a few of those. And if you are interested, if you want to learn more, or if you want to get my trading system, the one I'm using to place these trades, you can also contact me via email. I'll put my email address on the screen. So first, before we get started, I just want to talk about for beginners, binary options is very easy, and it also requires low capital to start, at least about $100 for some brokers, but the majority of them you are looking at $250. All right, and they have a very user-friendly interface, so it is very easy to follow, it's very easy to trade. So how does it work? You simply have to choose an asset. You go and choose your asset. You can choose to trade euro USD, pound, Australian dollar, pound USD, USD CHF, and all these other pairs. All right, so what you need to do here is to focus on the return, the percentage that they are offering you. All right, because it doesn't make sense for you to trade pound USD at the moment, because they are offering you 50% return, meaning if you put a $1, you're going to get a $1.50. all right, so if you put on euro USD, if you put your $1, you get a $1.85, which makes a bit more sense for me. All right, so I cannot trade something that has less than 50%, actually less than 65% return. All right, because I want to make sure that with a 65 win rate I'm getting money back. All right, I'm breaking even and making profit. That's the first thing you have to look at. You don't just trade any asset just because you like it. Look for the asset that you have better return. All right, like for in this case at the moment the best one is euro USD. all right, so the next thing that you do, you choose the time frame or when the trade is going to expire. For this one I'm going to select 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. And then normally if you have a platform that has this social trading, I don't like following these people, or I don't like them on my chart, because they disturb me how I think when I'm trading. All right, because imagine putting a buy trade and then you see someone placing a sell. All right, so let's quickly jump into the strategy. You need to have MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So if you don't have MetaTrader 4, or you don't know how to use MetaTrader 4, and if you have any other questions concerning that MetaTrader, I think I don't have to make this video very long, so you need to contact me. I'll put my email address. Like I said, I will help you out. All right, so you should also try to search on the internet. You can get the videos on YouTube, or just search on Google how it works. So this is my MetaTrader platform. This is where I'm going to do all my analysis. All right, so let me just zoom it up so that it's clear enough. So what I want to follow here, this is my indicator that I'm using. All right, so this indicator I personally developed it so that I can actually trade forex. But whilst I was doing my forex trading, I also noticed that I can use it for binary options, which is why I decided to make this video and share with you guys. All right, so what I need to do is to select it to remove the other. Let me just click on the indicator. I just need to remove the other part of it, because you can see that it has two parts, the upper part and the lower part. All right, so I just want to remove the one at the bottom, because I won't be using it. That's why I'm removing it. All right, so I won't be using it. That's why I'm removing it. So this system is very easy. As you can see, green is for what? For buy, and red is for sell. All right, so if you can check from the right now, we are currently on sell, because there's a sell signal. It just turned red here. All right, so which means I need to rush to my broker. All right, so this means I need to rush to my broker and place a sell trade. Do not show this again. So the best way for me now is to set up my chart so that I put the MetaTrader on the side, and also I put the binary options platform on the side. I want them to be side by side so that you can see I don't have to drag the charts all along. All right, so that was a winning trade. You can actually see it right here. This is the trade that I took. All right, this is the trade that I took. That's a sell trade. If you remember very well, we had 10 deals right here. So now we have 11 deals. So you can actually see this was a simple winning trade. Select the asset, select the time frame, put the amount that you want to invest, and then place the trade. All right, so I want the chart to be next to the platform. I'm going to pause this video and set it up. Okay, so my charts are set side by side. Right now I'm just going to wait, because you also need to have patience when you are trading for binary options. You need to be patient so that you time exactly when you are going to enter the trade. All right, when it's about to, so what I normally like doing is to wait when it's about to expire. Like right now, I know that, so that I just enter the trade when I'm left with a few minutes or a few seconds left. All right, so I wait here. It's showing me the buy time, so I like to enter when it's about to reach this line right here. All right, on this trade, let me just put $100. But I recommend that you should always use the same amount of money that you have been like if you started with the $50, you should continue to use $50 on your trades. All right, so I've placed the sell trade right here. All right, but I recommend that when you are trading using this system, only trade when it turns. All right, when it turns from green to red. All right, if you keep on placing sell trade, that's how you are going to lose. All right, in the end. But I just want to make this video very short. That's why I decided to just place the trade right away. Since we are in the downtrend, the system is still showing me it's a downtrend. All right, it seems as if it's changing. So since I lost, this is the trade that I took. This is the losing trade. All right, I just want to put a bigger amount so that I get back what I lost and also recover. All right, so this is a trend following system. It's very easy to use. Once it turns green, I buy. So I'm waiting for a green box right here so that I can start placing my buy trade. And you should also constantly checking right here to see if the return is still the same. All right, because it also changes. I'm not worried about losing a trade because that's part of the game. You are not going to win all the trades. Let me just wait. There it is. I'm getting a green box right here. If it closes green, I'm going to take my trade. So right now I can't take the trade because it's still 30 seconds remaining right here. Because if it changes, it can come back to red right here. But once the candlestick closes, it does not repaint, so it won't change the color. So I think this is the perfect moment that I'm going to try and enter this trade. Okay, as you can see on the MetaTrader right here, this is a new candle. All right, and here it's green, so it means we are going to just place a, I'm waiting for this timer to reach at least about 15 seconds or so. So we are in our buy trade, and this time we've put a $200. The reason I put a $200 is because we lost $100. So if we win this trade, I think we are getting profit of about we are getting back 370, which means I'll get back the $100 that I lost. And also make profit on top. So as you can see, this is a trend following system, guys. It's very easy to follow. It's very easy to use. All right, this is when it turned green down here. All right, so the trade has also expired. You can see it right here. So out of 13 trades, you can see that I have 11 wins. I'll go back to the same amount that I was using. I don't want to make this video very long, so I'm just going to place another buy trade. Okay, it failed. Because I don't want to be waiting to pause the video. That's the thing. Otherwise, if I was following the strategy where I don't have to place a trade and wait for it to turn, it will be far much easier for me. Unless I have to, let me just pause the video. When I get the signal for sell, that's when I'm going to come back, so that I don't just place trades randomly just to make the video short. In fact, while we wait for the next signal, I want us to just go through the past signals that are here that you see on the screen. This was a buy right here. You can see it actually went up. All right. This was a sell right here. All right. So this was going to be a losing trade right here. Like I said several times in other videos, you are not going to win all the trades, guys. So relax and just enjoy the trading. So this is where it ended. This is a very powerful system, and if you want to get the trading system, like I said, contact me via email, or if you have any other questions that you might have, contact me. I'll also try to help you with all the information that I think is valuable. And to get the trading system, I can only give you a license for your for one person. All right, so this system is not yet out there, and you can only get the system from me. So if you want the system, write me an email. But before you write me an email, make sure to like my video, subscribe to the channel, and give a positive comment. And then after that, you can send me an email. All right, because those are some of the things that I'm going to look at when you send me an email. If I see your comments on the video, All right, I'll know that at least you like the video. I think I'll have to just pause the video because it's taking too long to reverse. It seems as if there might be a reversal, so I'm just going to try and wait for the signal. Once the signal comes, I'm going to take a sell trade. All right, and that should be my last trade if I win that one. I don't want to be some of those people making videos showing you or very confident on the video telling you that they are trading binary options. Binary options is easy, and then in the end they don't even take even one trade to show that whatever they are talking about, they are actually doing it. All right, that's the difference between me and a lot of other people, other YouTubers out there. I actually show you, at least right now I took about 3 trades, I think, in front of you, and I'm also showing you results for today. All right, okay, it's going back, so it seems as if it's not gonna go down. All right, we have to wait and be more patient. Like I said, you need patience, you need discipline. Okay, so we just got a sell signal right now. Hey, it's been a long time waiting, but we just got into a sell trade. You can actually see I've already placed the trade right here. All right, still going closer to our entry price. So don't panic, you are not going to win all the trades. Just correct that mentality and you are set to go. It's about to expire. I think we have about 10 seconds left. It's going out of the money. This one is a painful one. All right, just on the last second, and then boom. All right, that one was a winning trade, but just on the last second. I think the market might actually keep on going down the way I see it right now. So let me try to get another sell trade, because that was not convincing. I normally like to put the sell trade when it's about to expire, the buy time. All right, but this one I think I rushed it. It's a bit more volatile at the moment. I don't think it will return from there, but it's part of the game, guys. So this one might be a losing trade. Yeah, it's actually a losing trade. 210. It's a losing trade. All right, so I took 2 trades on that sell trade, which was this first one, which we won just right on the last second right there, and then this one right here, which we lost. But it's also a good advantage that it has gone up, because it's actually trying to give us the more room to go to the downside. All right, let me just try and put $100 on this one. Okay, it refused to enter the trade, but you can see it right here. It's actually going down now. So you see that I missed that trade. I think it was going to be a winning trade, but anyways, you don't have to panic whenever you lose a trade. There are a lot of trading opportunities in the market, and you can always come back tomorrow and trade. All right, so I'm not worried about that. I just took another sell trade, but I see there's a lot of volatility that is going on. This might be due to some news or some other event that I don't know. So I think the best way for me right now, after this trade, I'm going to to just stop trading, all right, because there's too much volatility that is going up and down here. And this is just a 1 minute, a 30 seconds, a 60 seconds trade. I think we have about 8 seconds left. Let's see if this one expires in the money. 210. All right, so as you can see, we managed to get back the loss and also a small profit on top. All right, so this is a very, very powerful trading system, guys. Let's just get back to the questions that I wanted to address. Are binary options legit? Yes, of course, binary options is legit, but you need to have a broker that is regulated, all right, and also you need to use the right broker. Okay, is it can you really make money trading binary options? Yes, if you are using a regulated broker and a good broker, you are going to make money. And it's also safe when you are trading binary options with a regulated and a good broker. All right, so in the next video I'm going to talk about which brokers are the best to trade binary options. All right, so if you guys have more questions or want to see more of the videos about binary options trading, you can also contact me via email and request. But first of all, before we get to that part, I want you guys to like this video, take your time and subscribe and give comments, all right, so that I also know if the information is helpful and if I should make another video showing you a strategy for trading binary options. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, guys. As you can see, out of 16 trades, I think we lost only 3. All right, so it's 13 out of 16. I can keep on going showing you trades and trading, but I think the 2 of the trades that I lost here are because I did not wait. All right, I didn't want to wait because I'm making a video, so I didn't want to pause the video. I wanted to just continue recording. But as you can see right here on the MetaTrader, it's still going down, and you can see it's very, 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 very bearish. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you want the strategy, first like the video and comment on the comment section. Once I get your comment, I will know that definitely you like the video, so I'm going to attend to you. All right.